Major banks, lenders provide disaster relief for Los Angeles wildfire victims. Financial institutions are offering disaster relief and forbearance programs to help victims of the California wildfires. The recent wildfires in Los Angeles have left many of us in shock, but there's a silver lining. Major banks and lenders are stepping up to provide disaster relief for those affected. They're offering forbearance programs, which means you can pause your mortgage payments without the fear of penalties. This is a crucial lifeline for families struggling to rebuild their lives. Financial institutions are also providing low-interest loans to help cover immediate expenses, from temporary housing to replacing essential belongings. It's heartening to see these organizations rallying together, showing that in times of crisis, community support can make a real difference. If you're impacted, reach out to your bank. They're ready to help you navigate this challenging time.